The lifted sedan is already available in the US, where one of the SUVs will also arrive, according to a recently released teaser. As expected, Japan gets all four, and the latest to hit the market is the regular sedan, which will replace the 15th generation model. Yes, the Crown is now in its 16th generation. Honestly, it looks stylish enough to wear a Lexus badge, and it's an impressively large car at 198 inches long, 74.4 inches wide and 57.9 inches tall. The generous 118.1-inch wheelbase means there's ample legroom in the back, so much so that Toyota sees the 2024 Crown Sedan as a chauffeur-driven car, like the fancier Century and its newly launched SUV sibling. A sumptuous rear-wheel drive sedan with an interior largely shared with other new-generation Crown models. It has adaptive suspension for a silky smooth ride and offers a relaxed atmosphere thanks to its generous use of wood. The 2024 Crown Sedan can be purchased as a fuel cell vehicle, in which case it inherits the hydrogen setup from the Mirai. With 3 hydrogen tanks full, it can travel up to 510 miles before needing to refill. Toyota says this will take as little as 3 minutes, about as long as refueling an internal combustion-fueled car. This FCEV variant can also power your home or electrical appliances. Additionally, the 2 accessory sockets mounted inside the vehicle can also be used as an emergency power supply system, as they will operate even if the vehicle is turned off. Alternatively, Toyota will sell the Crown Sedan with a newly developed 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain that combines the petrol engine with 2 engines. Full specifications haven't been released yet, but we do know that full power is available from around 27 miles per hour. This is much earlier than the 87 miles per hour top speed Toyota has cited for previous hybrid systems. Crown Sedan, which was officially introduced in Japan today, will go on sale in the domestic market on November 13th. Toyota is asking 7,300,000 Japanese yen, $48,500, for the hybrid and 8,300,000 Japanese yen, $55,200, for the fuel cell hydrogen version. The target is to sell 600 units per month. It's also available through Kinto subscription services, starting at 108,130 Japanese yen, $720, per month.